everyone, Celena here. Welcome to my home tour in Ross Bridge at GLASSCOTT Crossing, brought to you by Keller Williams. We're going to be touring a 6-bedroom, 6-bath home. And stay to the end so you can see the beautiful lake view and the pool. Hope you enjoy. We're going to start our tour right here at the front of the house. So let's go toward the front door. All right, well, we'll start right here in the foyer. Beautiful chandelier. To the right is an eat-in dining room, large enough for all of your dining room furniture. Beautiful ceilings. We're going to continue on to the living area. Fireplace. Beautiful sliding doors. Lets in all of the natural light. And connects to the kitchen. It's a beautiful bar. Marble countertop. Commercial grade appliances in the kitchen. This is perfect for entertaining. This is your breakfast nook. And we're going to make a right-hand turn and go into the master bedroom. Beautiful chandelier, beautiful windows, a lot of natural light. We'll go on into the master bath. To the right is the water closet. And to the left is the soaking tub. Beautiful glass shower. Now we go into the custom closet, his and hers. This would be hers. And this is his. And this is a 6-bedroom, 6-bath home with 2 half baths. We're going down the hallway to the laundry / mudroom here on the left. Has an exterior entrance, and also to the right is the garage. This is where your washer and dryer will go. And just outside the laundry and mudroom, you have additional storage for the kitchen. Half bath on the right. Now we'll go upstairs to the additional bedrooms. We're at the top of the landing and we're going to go right into the playroom area. Continue on, it takes us to bedroom number 1. Large closet. Straight across, bedroom number 2, and this is large enough for a second master. Beautiful windows, plantation shutters, full bath, go down the hall to 2 more bedrooms. Full bath. Glass door showers. Bedroom number 4. Full bath. Back into the hallway. We're back at the bottom of the stairwell. We're going to check out the finished basement. You come into the finished area. This is what we refer to as the playroom. Has a pool table, full kitchen, and then to the right is a room being used as an office. Also have a full bath. And to the left we have theater room, or whatever room you would like to make it. It is amazing. Straight down the hall. This room is being used as an exercise room. This is what it looks like from this view. All right, we're going back up the steps onto the main level. Back through the kitchen. Want to make sure that you guys see butler's pantry with a sink, storage, and also a cooler. That is situated between the dining room and the kitchen. It's a beautiful patio, stone fireplace. Great place to watch the game on Saturday. Barbecue area. The saltwater heated pool. With a hot tub. Through the trees you can see the lake. It's a beautiful view. And the golf course. This door goes into the master bedroom. Very private. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Be sure to contact me directly and subscribe below.